Hi, awesome people. Welcome to our Pets Academic channel. Today, I'm talking about the topic, why does my dog run into me full speed? If you are new to our Pets Academic channel, please subscribe. You can also like and comment on our videos so that we can get to know you better. Consider reading the full in-depth blog post I have written on this topic. You can find it by going to the link in the description. So, let's dive in. 7 reasons why your dog runs into you full speed. Number 1. They are happy to see you. Your pup may be running into you at full speed because they are so excited to have your attention and love. Number 2. You just got home from work. After being away from you all day, your dog is likely overjoyed that you're finally home again, and their enthusiasm might make them want to run straight into your arms. Number 3. They want to play. Dogs love playing, and if your pup is running towards you at full speed, it could be because they are hoping to engage in some fun activities together. Number 4. You just came back from a walk. After going out for an invigorating stroll with you, your dog may be feeling full of energy and ready to play. Number 5. You have food. If you've been preparing a meal or even just opened the fridge, your pup may think that something exciting is happening and come running full speed in anticipation. Number 6. They're trying to get your attention. When your dog wants something from you, such as to go out for a walk or get some treats, they may come running to grab your attention. Number 7. They want you to join in with their game. Dogs love playing, and if yours has been rowhousing with another dog or toy, they may be inviting you to join in the fun by running into you full speed. In the full blog post I have written on my website, I have done hours of research and I have written much more details about the above topic and subtopics. The blog article is more than 1,000 words, and I dive into each of the above topics, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about my research on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let me know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out petsacademic.com.